This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Welcome home. Open floor plan, 4-bed/2 bath, 2-car garage home with 1,949 square feet of spacious living and 2 dining areas. Kitchen west/stainless appliances, island, granite counters and walk-in pantry, easy to care for LVP flooring through main areas, carpet in beds only, tile in baths. Both bathrooms have double vanities. Beautiful private backyard with privacy fence with no backyard neighbors, perfect for entertaining and barbecues. Enjoy your morning coffee on the screened porch that steps out onto a 140 square feet concrete patio for grilling. For those that love gardening, you can grow your own veggies, herbs or flowers in the 2 raised garden beds. Kitchen measurements include vast area,